Hi everyone, make it summer with Mod Podge, Waverly, and Walmart. I'm Kirsten from Plaid, and today we are upcycling an old shirt to create a picnic pocket placemat that is perfect for all your summer entertaining. So let me show you the supplies that you will need. First, you'll need Mod Podge fabric, a Mod Podge brush, scissors, and Waverly Inspirations fabric. And most exciting is an old shirt that we will cut apart using the back and the pocket. The pocket will be the cute little spot on the front for your utensils, and the fabric in the back makes your placemat. I cut a pattern out of poster board, just the size of the placemat. To upcycle the old shirts, I simply cut the back off of each shirt and also cut the pocket. And now, to tie your table together, we're going to create a centerpiece by upcycling old jars using Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. The supplies that you'll need are exciting new colors, Waverly Inspiration chalk, night sky, pink sky, your Waverly Inspiration chalk brush, and upcycled jars, clean, dry, and ready to paint.
For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.